Namaste and a warm welcome to all present. A special welcome to our dignitaries, Principal Dr. Mrs. Pramila Pudua, Chief Administrative Officer Mr. Chandra Prakash Hegde, Administrative Officer Mrs. Bhagyashree Bhagwat, Headmistress of the Secondary Section Mrs. Revati Wari, Headmistress of Primary Section Mrs. Cecilia Mascarenas, Headmistress of Pre-Primary Section Mrs. Uttara Abhyar. I am Vanshika Kothakar from Primary Section 5th D. Parents, teachers and my friends, it is an honor for me to stand here today and welcome you all to the celebration of our 75th Independence Day. The day marks the anniversary of our national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. 15th August, Independence Day, is a national celebration of India to remember the struggles and sacrifices of our martyrs Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Singh and many more. All these freedom fighters of India fought, struggled and even sacrificed their lives in an effort to free India from British rule. We are all proud to be a part of this independent nation that gives us the freedom to follow all our rights, including the right to education. Independent India's constitution gives equal status to all its citizens and does not discriminate between a man or woman. Today, India provides great opportunities to empower women not only in the corporate world but also in the field of sports. Inspired by a budding Indian women cricketers, I too aspire to be one and represent my country on international soil. The freedom fighters put their lives at stake for the independence of India, and today the COVID-19 frontline warriors are making similar sacrifices. On this day, let us also extend our gratitude to COVID-19 frontline warriors for fighting the pandemic without fear, just like our freedom fighters fought for our independence. आन देश की शान देश की हम संतान हैं, तीन रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ही है पहचान है. स्वच्छ भारत, स्वस्थ भारत, जय हिंद. Thank you. We will now witness the photographs of the hoisted flag as conducted on the school premises this morning. This will be followed by the national anthem and flag song. Requesting all to rise and stand in attention.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
a student from grade 9C, Kalpita Lakshmi, will present a speech in English. Ms. Janvi Panchal, our English teacher, has rendered her guidance for the speech.
Good morning to one and all. Martin Luther King Jr. aptly quoted, "Freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor. It must be demanded by the oppressed. And to demand freedom, it takes courage, and more courage." All our freedom fighters, fearless and resilient, were the epitome of courage. They were fortitude personified. Each one of them faced obstacles but persevered to achieve their dream of independent Bharat. It did not come easy, but eventually it did. The fruit of freedom was savored in the wake of midnight when India was pronounced a free nation. This brings back the memory of the historical day, 15th August 1947, the day India was declared independent, the day we are here to commemorate today. Most of us here were born in free India. So what is freedom to us today? Freedom is being bold. Freedom is food to our souls. Freedom is the difference between existing and living. Freedom is to have the courage to be yourself unapologetically. Freedom is to have the grit to learn with an open mind. Freedom is to have the determination to work relentlessly towards your goal. Freedom is different to each one of us. For the one who is suppressed, freedom is a chance to express himself. For the one who is victimized by societal constraints, freedom is being able to be one's own self. For the one who is bullied, freedom is to be able to voice out how he feels. For the one who is wronged, freedom is the deliverance of justice. For me, having the free will to choose a career is freedom. May we think of freedom not as the right to do as we please, but as the opportunity to do what is right. A tree is known by its fruit, a man by his deeds. A good deed is never lost. Therefore, may our minds be free from pessimistic thoughts, our hearts from vices, and the world from misery. I would like to conclude with a quote by John Mark Green. "For far too many years I lived the life that others chose for me, a captive of thoughts that were not my own. But I fought my way to freedom on the road of self-discovery, and I will fiercely guard this liberty of soul." Jai Hind.
Niyati Shah from 9A will recite a poem named Azadi Ki Goonj, resounding the echoes of our independence. She has been trained by a Hindi teacher, Ms. Poonam.
15 अगस्त 1947 आजादी के वो दिन को याद करते हुए आज आजादी के पर्व पर देश के उन शूरवीरों के त्याग, बलिदान, संघर्ष एवं समर्पण को याद करते हैं जिन्होंने हमें स्वतंत्रतापूर्ण, शांतिपूर्ण एवं खूबसूरत जीवन प्रदान किया है। आज राष्ट्रीयता एवं सद्भाव के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं नियति शाह कक्षा 9वीं अ की छात्रा अपनी कविता के माध्यम से अपने भावों का प्रस्तुतिकरण करने जा रही हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है आजादी की गूंज। आज तिरंगा फहराता है, आज तिरंगा फहराता है अपनी पूरी शान से। हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। आजादी के लिए हमारी लंबी चली लड़ाई थी, लाखों लोगों ने प्राणों से कीमत बड़ी चुकाई थी। व्यापारी बनकर आए और छल से हम पर राज किया, व्यापारी बनकर आए और छल से हम पर राज किया। हमको आपस में लड़वाने की नीति अपनाई थी, हमने अपना गौरव पाया अपने स्वाभिमान से। हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। गांधी तिलक सुभाष जवाहर का प्यारा यह देश है, गांधी तिलक सुभाष जवाहर का प्यारा यह देश है। जियो और जीने दो का देता सबको संदेश है। प्रहरी बनकर खड़ा हिमालय जिसके उत्तर द्वार पर, हिंद महासागर दक्षिण में इसके लिए विशेष है। लगी गूंजने दसों दिशाएं वीरों के यशगान से, लगी गूंजने दसों दिशाएं वीरों के यशगान से। हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। हमें हमारी मातृभूमि से इतना मिला दुलार है, उसकी आंचल की छैया से छोटा यह संसार है। हम न कभी हिंसा के आगे अपना शीश झुकाएंगे, सच पूछो तो पूरा विश्व हमारा ही परिवार है। सच पूछो तो पूरा विश्व हमारा ही परिवार है। विश्व शांति की चली हवाएं अपने हिंदुस्तान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। धन्यवाद।
Mission Mangal is a peppy dance choreographed by dance teachers Miss Apurva and Miss Swati, completely on the digital platform. Our students of grade 6, through the beautiful lyrics and moves, learned that no obstacle can deter an undaunted spirit from excelling.
Mission Mangalam, Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam, Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam।
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है।
Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam।
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है। चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है।
3, 2, 1, boom।
दिल में मार्स है, क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है, अपने दिल में मार्स है। मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है।
Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam।
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है। चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है।
3, 2, 1, boom।
दिल में मार्स है, क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है, अपने दिल में मार्स है। उड़ने की प्यास है, दिल में मार्स है।
Mangalam, Mission Mangalam, Space Mangalam, Shuttle Mangalam, Pool Mangalam, Swag Mangalam, Hash Mangalam, Tag Mangalam, Dream Mangalam, Vision Mangalam, Countdown, Ignition Mangalam, Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam, Telescope Direct, Swaha।
Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam। Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam।
अपने ब्रेन 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 की है कारस्तानी, हम तो ढूंढ 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 ले फायर में पानी, फायर में पानी। अपने देश 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 में सब कुछ मुमकिन है। We don't need 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 no मेहरबानी, no मेहरबानी। अपने ब्रेन 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 की है कारस्तानी, हम तो ढूंढ 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 ले फायर में पानी, फायर में पानी। चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है।
3, 2, 1, boom।
दिल में मार्स है, और दिल में मार्स है, अपने दिल में मार्स है। उड़ने की प्यास है, क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है।
Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam, Speed Mangalam, Metal Mangalam, Josh Mangalam, Jashan Mangalam, Style Mangalam, Fashion Mangalam, Cosmos Condition
across all sections of the school along with teachers is worth watching. The virtual event was organized by the PA department headed by Mr. Roger, Ms. Malika, Mr. Neeraj, Mr. Sameer and Mr. Abhilash.
अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् सांसों में छिपा है ये पुरखों की कृपा है ये दिखलाएगा रास्ता अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् दुनिया में प्रसिद्ध जो अपने आप सिद्ध जो रखना इस पे आस था अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
विश्व को भेंट दी हमने योग है योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है
जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है
अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् भारत ने ही योग सिखाया जग में फैलाया
विश्व ने अपनाया नियंत्रण आया रोग पे
विश्व ने जैसे है पाया जो अधिकार ये अब आरोग्य पे है सब हो पाया योग से सदियों से रहा है ये सब ही ने कहा है ये
हर दम देगा आसरा
अथ योगानुशासनम् योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
योग से महामारी को रोक ले
योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है बुद्धियुक्तो जहातीह उभे सुकृत दुष्कृते तस्मात् योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम् योगः कर्मसु कौशलम् अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् तेज बढ़ेगा चित्त खिलेगा जीवित दिल रहे तन मन ये कहे हर पल हर एक सांस में स्वास्थ्य की धारा शरीर के कण कण में बहे
धन मन ये कहे है शक्ति अपने हाथ में
महिमा इसकी जान लो आए समय तो ठान लो रख लेना ये वास्ता अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो
ये शरीर और मन का संजोग है
योगारंभ हो योगारंभ हो जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है जो सुलझा दे जीवन को वो योग है अथ योगानुशासनम् अथ योगानुशासनम् ये योग है ये योग है होता योग से ही मुक्त रोग है योग से डालो बदल दुनिया की तस्वीर को, इस योग से डालो बदल दुनिया की तकदीर को। इस योग से डालो बदल दुनिया की तस्वीर को, इस योग से डालो बदल दुनिया की तकदीर को। अनमोल है ये दिन जो भारत की खोज है, ये योग है, ये योग है। होता योग से ही मुक्त रोग है। तुम योग करो ना भोग करो, इस जीवन का उपयोग करो। तुम योग करो ना भोग करो, इस जीवन का उपयोग करो। अपना लो तुम योग को, फिर जीवन में रोग है, ये योग है, ये योग है। होता योग से ही मुक्त रोग है, ये योग है, ये योग है, ये योग है, ये योग है।
Our Independence Day will be incomplete without Nat's speech. May we now request our principal, Dr. Mrs. Pramila Kudwa, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everybody. On this day of Indian independence, I would like to focus on the India that I would like to see in 2046 at 100 years of age. Let me start by citing a proud moment, not only for India, but for the entire humanity. The first ever recording of Thomas Alva Edison. When he invented the gramophone record, he wanted a person, an eminent scholar, to be recorded for posterity. So he chose Professor Max Muller, who was living in England at that time, who belonged to the German ethnicity. He wrote to him, asking him whether he would be willing to record the first ever gramophone recording. Max Muller held Thomas Alva Edison in great esteem, and he accepted the offer. Not just that, he planned the trip on a day when all the scholars of Europe would get together at England, and he asked Thomas Alva Edison to come and meet him on that particular day. Edison took a ship, went to England. He was introduced to the audience. He recorded Max Muller's voice, took the voice to his laboratory, came back in the afternoon with the recording. The recording was played and everybody listened to it, clapped, and after much fanfare, Max Muller asked the audience, "What is this language that I spoke about? What did you hear?" Nobody knew. Then he went on to explain that he had said Agni Mile Purohitam, which was the first ever lines recorded in the Rig Veda. Sanskrit, he said, is the mother of all languages. And the recording was played again, and everybody gave a standing ovation as a matter of respect. India has many more things to offer. 5,000 years ago, on the banks of the river Sindhu, the navigation was started. Zinc extraction existed in India in this 13th century. Downward distillation is used for the extraction of zinc, and it is not an easy task. The pillar of Delhi near Qutub Minar was estimated to be cast 1,500 years ago. Iron pillar standing in the open, it has not rusted to date. India gave the concept of zero to the world. Indian astronomers had recognized the sun was the center of the universe and the circumference of the earth was 5,000 yojana each yojana being 7.2 kilometers. Sushruta Samhita is the earliest medical encyclopedia written during 1200 BC. It has 184 chapters containing 1120 illnesses and lists out 700 medicinal plants. The value of pi was put forth by Aryabhatta when he was just 23 years old. It's no wonder that India is subjected to so many invasions. 200 years of British rule broke the backbone of this majestic country. There are several atrocities committed by the colonial rule which are not documented, nor do they find any place in the books of history. India, which was a part of the 27% of world trade, slipped to 2% by the time the British left us. The handloom weavers who weaved the finest of muslin were harassed, their looms were destroyed, the thumbs of these weavers were cut off, leading to a demand on the cloth prepared by the mills of the British. 15 to 29 million Indians died due to the British-induced famine. The biggest and the most known is the famine of Bengal. There are several such instances which one could cite. This India of 1947, where does it stand today? India ranks third in the list of 4 large economies of the world. India ranks as the youngest country in the world with the average age of 28. In 1969, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation invited India, but in the conference, India was not permitted entry. But at the 50th anniversary of the same organization, who do you think was the guest of honor? Yes, it was India. India has been having a relentless focus on education because it believes that is the only instrument that can bring about change and progress. There are 50,000 colleges, 1.5 million schools, and 320 million students. Many of them are our daughters. With the NEP, this could only get better. In the 2021 Olympics, Tokyo, India got 1 gold, 2 silver medals, and 4 bronze medals. But what is more important are the landmarks that they have achieved. The men's hockey players brought a medal to the country after 41 years. The army that looks after the country also brought in the gold for us. Neeraj Chopra belongs to Rajputana Rifles. The women's hockey team did not win a medal but won the hearts of one and all. I would like to narrate the story of our captain, Rani Rampal. Rani's father worked as a cart puller in Shabad, Haryana. Her father would sell bricks in the horse cart and would earn about 4 to 5 rupees a day. It was always difficult for the family to have 3 meals in a day. Most of the time, they would have 1 meal and go hungry. Rani developed interest in this sport when she was just 7 years of age. Her parents were hesitant about this idea, and the other family members vetoed it, saying a girl could not wear a skirt or a pair of shorts and run around on the hockey field, and it will bring a disgrace to the family. But that didn't stop Rani from picking up a broken hockey stick that was thrown somewhere and dribble the ball and run around in the salwar kameez. Finally, her family gave in. But this was the beginning of many hurdles that Rani had to choose. Rani was expected to drink 500 ml of milk, and the family could only manage to get 250 ml. So what did Rani do? Rani made the 250 into 500 by using water. Rani could not afford the kit, but Rani's coach helped her not only with the kit and the other paraphernalia that she needed to play the game, but he also provided her the right nutrition so she could get adequate stamina to play the game. Her story brings tears to one's eyes. Her story makes you believe that when you set your mind and you decide to chase your goal, you can achieve it. This is a story of grit and determination. I would call it the fire in the belly. Let me take you to another face of incredible India. In 2011, there were several earthquakes, and in Assam, there were many landslides and the roads were blocked. The experts, international experts, they said it would take 6 weeks to throw open the roads. But our border roads took up on the challenge and cleared the road in 19 hours flat. Unfortunately, during this cleanup operation, one of the youth who was working on the precipitous terrain fell to his death. So the body was taken to the mother and handed over. The mother requested the team leader to get a job for her younger son. The team leader said he would speak to his superiors and try and get a job in the private sector for her son. The lady said no. That is not what she wanted. She said she would want a job for her younger son in the same company where the elder son worked. She said, my son has given up his life for the country. And if that happens to the second son, it would be a proud moment for us. This is incredible India, my dear students. So we are Indians not because we live in India. We are Indians because India lives in us. Let us take an oath to do a little bit more than what we are doing for our motherland. I end with a refrain from the poem My Native Land, written by Walter Scott. Breathes there a man with soul so dead, who never to himself had said, this is my own, my native land. Jai Hind.
Singing the national song gives us the solemn, patriotic feel for which we all must respectfully stand.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufala, Malayaja Sheetala, Sasya Shyamala Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajyosna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
This marks the end of today's ceremony. Have a good day. Thank you, everyone.